almost about to taxi, but this AC is not working. Look at everyone, and it's so many people. They are using these magazines. AC is not working at all. And as usual, your TV screens are also not working. Neither this button for calling the cabin crew. Nothing is working. Nothing. Not even the light is working. See, is this what you are providing? And as usual, that is why Air India is considered as one of the worst airlines in the world. AC is still not working, and today it is very, very, very hot in Delhi. And it's a Dreamliner 787. See, I'm sweating like hell. And we are here for the last 15 minutes, nothing happening. Remote isn't working, nothing is working. I don't know why I booked this flight again.
Hani haite kacha social media wo Ahmedabad je plane crash mane a plane ni bising video mangple kase fajoka hani hai social media wo o video viral ungjak samaka omo Ahmedabad je plane crash mane amoni 2 ghonta swkangni bising ni video mangple hine samaka je borok o video no shoot khanai bo ungka Delhi to Ahmedabad 2 ghonta swkang bo kase femani tei bo o plane no kase faipro norok bini shikayat nugui makhana je bo o plane bisingo Air India Boeing 787 Dreamliner plane bisingo kunu kas khaya AC kas khaya TV kas khaya hinai bo shikayat khaimanu khana tei bo sama khana ma bonro khana kana je bo world ni sobtheke Rose airline hinai bo norok sama khana kana hingke tabuk social media o video mangpili hani hai viral ungjak je Ahmedabad je plane crash ungo a plane 2 ghonta swkang Delhi to Ahmedabad faifro khoroksa passenger amono a Boeing Air India 787 Dreamliner AI 171 plane ni video bisingni mangpili phunukmani ga social media o video tabuk viral ungjak tei norbo nugui makhana o viral video ni mangpili tei khnai makhana o passenger bo shikayat khaimani Air India plane no duniyani sobtheke hamya ba chaya airlines hinui kenoro khnai makhana o video ni mangpili hingke tei kaisa Ahmedabad ni o Air India ni plane crash ongya swkang airport roja kaisa CCTV footage ni hote o patimung joto record ba patimung mangpili kasoi phekya bahaike chon second ni bisingo no o plane birsaui take off khaimani loge no o plane crash ongui thangka tenor bo nugui makhana o video ni screen o